You open your phone, tap your finance app, and just like that, your entire money life is in one place. Budgeting, investing, borrowing, even credit building. But what do all these features do? In this video, I'll break down every major FinTech app feature, what it's for, how it works, and why it matters. Let's jump in. First, spending analytics. Your app tracks where your money goes and breaks it down into clear categories: food, rent, subscriptions, travel. Then it turns that raw data into helpful visuals, charts, pie graphs, and heat maps. You get monthly trends, spending streaks, and alerts when you're about to overspend. Some apps even nudge you with spending guilt graphs that show late-night takeout creeping up. This isn't just decoration, it's your financial mirror. Second, smart budgeting. Modern FinTech apps don't just show where your money went, they help guide where it should go. If you overspend on groceries, the app might suggest cutting back on dining out or flagging subscriptions you forgot. These tools adjust in real time, giving you flexibility, not shame. It's budgeting for humans, not spreadsheets. Third, roundups and micro-saving. Buy something for $3.60. Your app rounds it to $4 and puts the spare 40 cents into a savings bucket. It's passive, automatic, invisible. But over time, those micro-savings can add up to hundreds. Some apps even offer boost features, doubling roundups during holidays or challenges. Great for building emergency funds without even noticing. Fourth, integration with traditional banks. Most FinTech apps link directly with your checking, savings, and credit card accounts, so you're not replacing your bank, you're enhancing it. Live data flows in. You can track balances, transactions, and even spot hidden fees or overdraft risks. It's one dashboard for your entire money life. No toggling between apps, no guesswork. 5. Automatic bill pay. Rent, Netflix, your phone plan? Set them once, and the app pays them on time every month. This avoids late fees and saves you the mental clutter of due dates. Bonus, some apps send pre-bill reminders, giving you time to adjust your balance before the charge hits. Peace of mind, built in. 6th, credit score monitoring. Your real-time credit score right inside the app, and it updates frequently without impacting your report. You'll also get breakdowns, what's helping, what's hurting, and what actions can move the needle. Some apps even simulate how opening a new card or paying off a loan might affect your score over time. Credit transparency equals smarter decisions. 7. Investment tools. Buy stocks, ETFs, or crypto, often with no minimums. Want automation? Robo-advisors create a custom investment plan based on your goals. You can choose aggressive, balanced, or conservative portfolios and let the app handle the rest. But be cautious. Some apps charge trade fees, monthly advisor fees, or hidden crypto conversion costs. Always read the fine print before investing. 8. Buy now, pay later, BNPL. Split a $200 purchase into 4 interest-free payments. Sounds helpful until you miss one. Then late fees hit, your credit may be affected, and your budget gets tight. BNPL can be great for short-term flexibility, but it's not free money. Use it like a tool, not a trap. 9. Credit builder tools. The FinTech feature that builds credit simply by reporting your rent is rent reporting. This feature is a game changer if you're just starting out. Some apps now offer secured cards that report to credit bureaus, rent and utility reporting to boost your history, auto deposit loan builders that repay themselves monthly. These tools help you build credit without taking on risky debt, and usually with no hard inquiry. Consistency is what counts, and these apps make it easy. FinTech apps use bank grid encryption to keep your info safe. Most also offer biometric logins, two-factor authentication, and real-time alerts for suspicious activity. But remember, many apps share your data with third-party partners. Always review privacy policies and adjust what's being tracked or shared. Your data is valuable. Treat it that way. 11th, virtual cards and controls. Need a disposable card for a one-time purchase? Done. Want to block spending in specific categories or countries? Easy. These controls give you real-time power over where, when, and how your money moves. Let's wrap with a quick cheat sheet. Spending analytics equals awareness without judgment. Smart budgets equals real-time course correction. Roundups equals savings without thinking. Bill pay equals automation that protects your credit. Credit tools equals score growth. No debt trap. Investing equals access for all with caution. BNPL equals flexibility, not an excuse. Security equals strong, but always review settings. Bank integration equals real-time clarity. Data privacy equals your job too. Here's the real takeaway. FinTech apps aren't just digital banks. They're your financial co-pilots. Use them wisely. Subscribe now, or your next overdraft alert might come with a lesson you could have avoided. See you in the next one.